Hello everyone, my name is Emir and today I'm going to be talking about our physics 211 experiment. So here you can see our experimental setup. So we have different fluid mediums and we have marbles, and we want to drop a marble into different fluid mediums and then calculate the terminal velocity, and the aim is to associate the terminal velocity with the viscosity. So we want to use some theoretical ways and also numeric ways to reach to viscosity from terminal velocity. So here are our fluids. We have water, we have alcohol, liquid soap, and sunflower oil. So first we started by calculating the density of different fluids, and then we also calculate the weight of the marbles. But in order to decrease the uncertainty, we calculated the total weight and also the total volume, and then we reached to the volume and weight of a single marble from there. So the experiment is simple. We are dropping the marbles from the top of the liquids, and then we record the process, and then from the recordings we are able to make a tracking. So by using a tracker software, we can track a ball moving down in the fluid, and then we can plot a graph and we can calculate the velocity, the terminal velocity. And also we are going to we made a simulation to simulate the same action and also to calculate the terminal velocity. And then using this velocity we want to calculate the viscosity of the fluids, and that's sort of the aim of our project.
Okay, so now I will show you the simulation of our experiment. So basically we have some set of functions to simulate the behavior of marbles falling under different fluid mediums. So let's run the case. So we have the parameters of our experimental setup, like the mass of the marble, radius, and other necessary parameters. And we can also specify the type of the fluid. So for this case, let's work with the alcohol. And then we can calculate the velocities, accelerations, net forces, and heights corresponding to each time step. And we can plot our results. So the results include acceleration and time graph, velocity time, force time, and also the height time graphs. These are included in our report as well. And we can also post-process and visualize our simulation as well, in which we provide the time information, height, acceleration, force, and velocities at each time step. Also, we can calculate the terminal velocity by changing the length of the container here. And we achieve our aim of calculating the viscosity by using terminal velocity. So this was our experiment, and thanks for listening to me.